Hello students of class 8. So our unit name is Queries, Forms and Reports in MS Access 2013. As you know that I had started this chapter in a basic. So in our previous classes also I had discussed the basic of MS Access. So in today's video I will discuss about the report, queries and forms that is based on your unit. So let's start. Understanding database concept. As we have learned in our previous chapter, a collection of data or information designed to be used by different people is called database. And database system is a computerized record keeping. It requires a software to organize the storage of data, and this software is called as a database management system. So in MS Access is an object-oriented relational database management system. It stores information in the form of objects. The various types of database objects that can be created using MS Access are tables, queries, forms and report. So you can see in your screen table is there. So in table children you will find three types. So that is the field, table name and record. You can see the table name is employees here and the field is last name, first name and phone number. And the record, whatever the names and contact number is written there, that is called your record. Next is queries. So queries are used to make a request to the database to find some specific data that is stored in the database. They help in searching and retrieving data from one or more tables. A well-designed query can be used to display the data in the database which is stored in one or more tables. A query allows us to sort data and specify criteria. Queries can also be saved for future use. Forms. So forms are used to enter, modify and view records in the database. Forms allow the users to interact with the database. They help us to enter the data easily and accurately. They are very user friendly, unlike tables, which are sometimes confusing. Forms help us to enter data into multiple tables at a time. They help us to keep data consistent and organized. Reports. So reports is basically its help to present a selected set of information from the database in the required format that is easier for the user to understand and is in a printable format. Using MS Access, we can create a report from any table or query. So you can see how does the reports layout look like. So this is the report layout tools. So after creating the table and query, you can also create your query and table in the report layout tools. So children, in our next class, we will learn more about MS Access 2013. Thank you.